the day. Gonna try and get this fitting goodish and weld in that repair panel. Right, so I've got this all lining up nicely. You know, this is back where it should be. This has actually managed to come over how it should be. All this is nice. These spot welds literally go where the old ones were, even though it's off a different car. That'll pull in. Yeah, that'll pull in. So yeah, it's all fitting nicely. So I'm going to sort that repair panel. Right, so I've decided I'm going to tack this bit in first and then do the repair panel after, because I could cut all this out, do the repair panel, and it could have bent on the floor or whatever and then be out of shape. So I want to get these lines right. Obviously put the boot back on, make sure all this is right, and then tack up the top around this bit here and this bottom bit here. Same with obviously a few tacks across here, squeeze this in and tack this together, and then we'll do the repair panel after. Right, so it's time to prep. Thanks, mate. Anyway, it's time to prep all these bits. Obviously, all under there, all down there, just basically everywhere where it's going to spot weld to. And then obviously the same on the rear quarter. Prep all the bits so I can weld it. Right, so any areas where I'm going to be welding, I've ground back to bare metal and then put weld through primer on. As you can see, literally all of this, all down there. You get the gist. Okay, so I've put the boot lid on before I weld anything, just to check like the panel gaps and stuff to make sure that it is actually in the right place, and that the fact, like, you know, I'm not going to weld it and then realise that there's this much on one side and this much on the other. Yeah, you know, all that crap. But look at this. Look at that for a panel gap. Look, perfect on that side. Perfect on that side. You know, follows the curve. Follows the curve. That's shit hot, that is. Alright, so that is all welded in. I'm going to test fit the boot and see if the panel, well, the boot still fits perfect. Obviously, next time I'm going to weld this in and then do that repair panel. I'm going to weld this first before I do that repair panel, just because I want to get all this top bit done. But yeah. Right, the boot's on. The gaps are still good either side. So yeah, so that's in the right place. Sweet. Right, so it's freezing, it's dark, and I probably say this every single time at the end of the video, but I don't care, because every single time it is cold and it is dark. Except today it's a lot colder. I can't feel my toes. Anyway, yeah, that's it. See you next time.